When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we are finally getting around to the Keith Haring Dunny unboxing that I feel like we've been talking about now for probably at least 2 months, but finally today is that day. Also, please excuse the mess which has once again begun to gather in my filming room. I think it is time for yet another super deep dive cleaning, but I have Christmas presents in here I have to wrap, and I know that that is about to make a big giant mess. Also, you guys have to let me know in the comments down below, do you have a movie that you associate with Christmas and it's like your special Christmas movie, but it's technically, I suppose by other people's standards, not Christmassy at all? I always watch Sweeney Todd when I wrap Christmas presents. That is like my ultimate Christmas movie. And sometimes I say that to people and they're like, but why? Let's deep dive into this unboxing. And the very first thing that I have to show you guys is actually so cool. I love when they do these big giant Dunnies as part of a collection. And I think that this one is 8 inches. So some people do like to actually collect the boxes. They don't unbox the figures, but I unbox mine. I really, really love these giant figures. And oh my god, I love the smell of them too. Especially the Kid Robot mystery figures. They have a particular vinyl scent and it's so comforting to me because I think I've just been collecting them for so long. You guys, Dogman and I used to, we started collecting these like in the early 2000s. I think like probably 2004 or 2005 is when I got my first Kid Robot vinyl collectible. I know I say this story all the time, but my very first one Dogman bought for me, I think it was actually on Haight-Ashbury is maybe, or like on Haight Street is where there used to be a Kid Robot, like actual brick and mortar store in San Francisco. I don't know if that's there anymore, and I don't know if it was actually like in the Haight district, but hey, my memory says it is. So today we are gonna be unboxing this entire series. I think like usual, we have 24 different ones to unbox. So here is a sneak peek at all of the different variants. And I'm actually now realizing that I don't have 2 cameras set up. So it looks like most of them are 2 out of 20. So it looks like we will be seeing most of the collection today. There are some that are 1 out of 40, 3 out of 40, 1 out of 60, but it does look like mostly the ratio is 2 out of 20. So I'm just gonna do this today and pull one out of the middle. Oh my gosh, this is so cool looking. I love the boxes. And I remember like several years ago when Forever 21 of all places, they had like a Keith Haring capsule collection and it was so cute. I feel like for a while, Forever 21 was doing a lot of like really cool capsule collections, oddly enough. They did one with like NASCAR, which looked pretty cute. And I don't know why I keep wanting to say they did one with Cheetos. Is that a real thing or is my mind making it up? Who did we get first? Ooh, oh, this is hilarious. Fill your head with fun. Start reading. So this is the very first one we got. And it's solid red with this hilarious face design on it. And he is 2 out of 20. So we might be seeing him again. I'm gonna pull another random one because sometimes when I do have a complete palette like this from Kid Robot, sometimes the duplicates are side by side. And I feel like somehow maybe that makes unboxing videos like less fun to watch if I open the duplicates side by side, but maybe you guys don't care. I don't know. You have to let me know. Okay, next. Ooh, we got a bright blue one. So this one, oh my gosh, it's like this little guy. Like, I guess he's like kneeling or something, or he's not kneeling, he's like crawling. I somehow don't know the difference between kneeling and crawling. He is 3 out of every 20, so definitely more common. We will probably be meeting that little guy again. Up next, I hope we get like the really like crazy super rare one. And I honestly hope that we get the little miniature of this guy because I think that that would be so cute to sit out on a shelf. And like, here's the big one. Here's the little baby. Ooh. This one is so cool. I love these colors. Green, yellow, red. Now I'm just naming off the colors for you guys. 2 out of every 20. So we will probably be seeing this little guy again. I think that they are meant to be dancing. I feel really stupid and they don't have the names or anything on them. I don't know. I guess I'm like not that knowledgeable about art where I would actually know like the names of each of the pieces. Now I feel like maybe I would be like that more for Andy Warhol just because I am more familiar with his art. Next we got, ooh, who is this? Oh my God, it says crack is whack and it's got a snake and the snake is chasing the people. They are running and yeah, that is, oh, look at the snake tail. I like how that wraps around. Okay, this one, 2 out of every 20. We might be seeing it again. Depending on how many rare ones we do or don't get, that's how you end up getting like more of the 3 out of 20 ones or the 2 out of 20 ones or less. That's maybe a stupid thing for me to have just explained. I bet you guys know that already. Okay, up next we got, ooh, a bright blue one again. It is our first duplicate. Now we have 2 crawling or kneeling. Maybe he's barking. I don't know. It does have these lines, which in my mind normally means noise in a comic sort of way. Does that make sense what I'm saying? Like Batman when they're like biff, pow. Like when they put those like little dashes. I guess it could also mean movement or sound, or everything I'm saying right now makes no sense. I don't know. Okay, up next we got, oh, this one is so cool. So this says Pop Shop Tokyo Pop. I don't know what exactly that means, what that is in reference to, but I do really like the design. I love these kind of like almost, I call them bubble letters. I always call these like 3-dimensional looking letters bubble letters. They're probably not bubble letters. So that one is 2 out of 20. We haven't gotten any of the super duper rare ones yet, and I've honestly lost track of how many we've already unboxed, but maybe somebody out there. What are we at? Have we done 6, 7, 5? Definitely looks like more than 5. All right. Up next, we got this one. Which one are you? Oh, it's another one that I thought was really, really cute. He is solid black and he has a dog, red dog. See what I mean? That makes noise, right? He's barking. That's what we're supposed to be gathering from the lines. So he is 2 out of every 20. Now, the one thing that I am kind of sad about these, I miss the Dunnies we've unboxed in the past that have the little props. Do you know what I mean? Like the one that always sticks out in my mind that we unboxed earlier this year was the Dunny Carnival series, where they had like stilts and masks and little scepters and crowns and hats. And I think one was like a sailor and he even had a saxophone, which now that I'm thinking about that, why would a pirate or a sailor have a saxophone? I don't think that those two things go together. But speaking of 2 things that do go together, we have 2 repeats. Also, you guys know a series of blind boxes that I miss so much is actually an offshoot of Sunny Angel. You guys are gonna have to let me know if you remember, because these were main channel videos that went up on Graveyard Girl like probably 4 or 5 years ago at this point. But instead of Sunny Angels, they are called Sorry Angels. And they were so cute. They were like little cupies, but they were like weird characters. They were like werewolves, clowns. We had a bee. That was very cute. But you guys, we finally got the one that I was really hoping for, which is the little bitty baby version of this guy. And I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell on camera or not, but look, they're 2 slightly different shades of green. He's more of a lime green, and then this guy is just more of like a really bright evergreen green. But it's so funny. It's like the difference, the slight little difference. It's kind of throwing me off. But he is 2 out of every 20. I kind of thought that he would be like one of the most common ones, because I don't know, I just kind of think that like if you were gonna get one of these, I just kind of feel like this would be the one that everybody would want. Also, I feel like these would make like really cool earrings, but maybe I just have that in my mind because one of my all-time favorite jewelry designers, Tarina Tarantino, you know what? I'll show you. I will show you. I actually have a little bit of this collab right here. And I bet you guys have even seen me wear this necklace before because I know I've worn it in a ton of videos. But Kid Robot and the jewelry designer Tarina Tarantino, they actually did a collab a million years ago, and it's all of these like really big statement pieces of jewelry, and they incorporated Kid Robot pieces. So I had a couple earrings that were the Labbits. You guys probably know those characters because we've unboxed a lot of those here. They just had other random Kid Robot figures. I think they did a lot of pieces with the Kid Robot, like the little mascot of the company. So this one, ooh, I think this is the most rare. Wow. I'm talking so much, you guys. I'm very talkative today, but we just got the Super Chase. So it is this same guy, except for he's a black and red variant, and he looks so cool. So he is only 1 out of 60. So that is the hardest one to get, and we just got him today, you guys. That's pretty cool. Okay. I always love when we get the super duper Chase figures because I feel like you guys would probably, I don't know, are you most interested always in seeing what the Chase figure is, or do you just not care? I always think it's cool for me to at least be able to show you guys like what the like ultimate one is, because a lot of times they don't even show you like what it is, and you only get to see it if you get it or if you look it up on the internet. All right, up next we got, oh, it is a duplicate of the Pop Shop one. I think that one was 2 out of 60. No, 2 out of 20. What am I saying? 2 out of 60. 2 out of 20. So we technically should not be seeing that one again. I think that there's a couple like 1 out of 40s. Ooh, 3 out of 40 looks so cool. I really hope that we get that one as well. And then there's another one that's 1 out of 40. So let's see. Oh my God, you guys, I feel like I do this sometimes and it's like crazy how I like literally start just talking about one figure. Why is this like this? Oh my God, I love it. I don't know if that's like a factory mistake. If there's like a little bit of plastic somehow trapped in the head, or if all the figures are like this. I doubt if we'll see this one again, but I love this one. I love like black and white patterns like this. I don't even know how I would like reference this. What does that say? It almost looks like it's got a word there, but I can't quite tell what it's saying. But yeah, this reminds me of another artist that I used to see on Instagram all the time. I think he's called like Mr. Doodle or something, but his artwork is so cool. He'll do it on like furniture, or like sometimes he'll just start out with like a huge blank white wall and just like doodle all day, and it looks so amazing. So 3 out of every 40, that one is definitely one of the more rare variants as well. You guys, we got a very, very lucky box today. Up next, what are we gonna get? Ooh, no way. This is the other, wow, 1 out of 40. So we did get the 3 most rare figures that you even have the possibility to get, because this guy is 1 out of 40. This guy is 3 out of 40. And then this guy is 1 out of 60. So those are the 3 most rare of the entire collection. That is pretty good. Okay, let's keep going. Oh wait, you know what? There's another one that's 2 out of 60, and that one is so cool too. So maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll see that one too. Although I feel like 2 out of 60 is like less rare than 1 out of 60. Oh, it's another repeat of the very first one that we saw. It kind of almost reminds me of a Shel Silverstein drawing, like, you know, those like sideways heads that he used to draw. Does that make sense? I don't know. How many times have I said, does that make sense? Up next. Oh, We saw, or we are seeing this guy again. Oh, I could make earrings now. Even though I feel like I never, ever, ever, ever wear, I never wear matching earrings anymore. Okay, I don't understand what's going on here. Some of them like have a loose bit. Okay, but now I know that that's like something that is like clearly not by design, but that is so cool. I feel like I only wear single earrings and not like matching pairs of earrings anymore, which I was about to say is weird, but I don't even think it's weird that much anymore, because I see so many jewelry designers now offering the ability to just buy a single earring, which I love that so much, because usually I don't want anything to match ever. We have a duplicate crack is whack. What was that one? 2 out of 20. So we will not be seeing that one again. So I guess a lot of people don't like matching earrings, which it makes sense. Cause I'm like, if you just wear like one earring, you can wear many different types of earrings all at once. Somehow makes sense to me. Oh, I thought it was the other like kind of chase figure, but this is the one that we already saw. Ooh. This one is particularly smelly, and it smells good. I have 3 boxes left. Ah! And I just got a massive paper cut. Why am I so clumsy? All right, up next we have, oh, it's this guy again. Wait, I thought he was 2 out of 20. No, he is 3 out of 20. So we did see him 3 times. Is there somebody that we're missing that we're supposed to be getting? Yeah, there is one that we haven't seen. That's 2 out of 20. But then there's one that we haven't seen left that is 2 out of 60. So, this was the missing one, which is like a mummy and a baby. Last box. Okay, what are we gonna see? Are we gonna see the last chase figure, or is it gonna be a duplicate? Who knows? Oh, it's a duplicate. We have the person and baby, I guess, is the best way that I can say that. All right, you guys, that was it. I would love to know what y'all thought of these in the comments down below. And also, what do you think of this guy? I love him. He's so cute. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much. And bye.